Dear students, today we are going to learn the last lecture of the error. In this lecture, I will be explaining you errors propagation in product and error propagations in division. Write down. Errors in product. When you talk about the errors in product, so let there be two quantities. Let there be two quantities. First quantity is A and the other quantity is B. So, if we want the measured value of A, the students measured value of A क्या आएगा? Measured value of A plus minus delta A. Measured value of B plus minus delta B. Let Z denote the product. Let Z denote the product. So Z is equal to AB, mark it 1. Z is equal to A plus minus delta A, B plus minus delta B. So Z is equal to AB plus minus A delta B plus minus delta A into B plus minus delta A delta B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now dear students, what do you find here? Z will be what? Z will be plus minus delta Z, Z plus minus delta Z. Now students, what is AB? That is Z. What is AB? That is Z.
Right.
Yes. Z plus minus delta Z, Z plus minus A delta B plus minus B delta A plus minus delta A delta B. This gets cancelled. बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
Or you can do one thing more important. Let me tell you. Instead of doing this, we can do one thing more better. Wait a minute. Let me rectify. It will be more easy. We do one thing. We divide both sides by Z. Divide both sides by Z. So Z plus minus delta Z upon Z. AB is Z plus minus A delta B plus minus B delta A plus minus delta A delta B divided by Z. Make sense? Makes sense, students? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, if delta A is equal to 0.0001 and delta B is equal to 0.000001, so delta A into delta B will be 0.000000, फिर बहुत सारी zeros लगे 1, means when you multiply two small, I should say, when you multiply the two small values, then their product is going to be further small, and that can be neglected. That can be neglected. So, delta A and delta B, what is this now? Z upon Z plus minus delta Z upon Z, Z upon Z plus minus A delta V upon Z plus minus B delta A upon Z plus minus delta A delta B. Correct? Delta A, delta B are very, very small. Delta A, delta V are very, very small. Therefore, their product is further small. So, delta A into delta B is nearly equal to 0 because delta A and delta B are very, very small. Now this cancels. This is 1 plus delta Z upon Z. This is 1 plus minus A upon delta B. What is Z? That is AB plus minus B delta A upon Z, that is AB. And ये क्या आ जाएगा? 0. 1 gets cancelled. Plus minus delta Z upon Z, are you getting? Plus minus delta Z upon Z, A gets cancelled, plus minus delta B upon B, B gets cancelled, plus minus delta A upon A. So this is the propagation of the error in product. This is the propagation of the error in product. I repeat once again, errors in product किसका? A and B. Measured value of A is A plus delta A. We have done yesterday. Measured value of B is B plus delta B. Let Z is equal to AB. Then Z plus minus delta Z, A plus minus delta A, B plus minus delta B. Now we multiply AB plus minus A delta B plus minus delta A into B plus minus delta A delta B. Dividing both sides by Z. Here is Z, here is Z. Z gets cancelled. 1 plus minus delta Z upon Z. Z upon Z, that is 1 plus minus A delta B upon Z plus minus B delta A upon AB. Delta A delta B are very, very small, so it can be neglected. It can be neglected. Then students, delta A delta B are very, very small, it can be neglected. So A gets cancelled, B gets cancelled. So what is propagation? Plus minus delta Z by Z plus minus delta B by B plus minus delta A by A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is propagation of error in product, that is AB. अब ये result जो आपके पास आया, what is this result? ये रिजल्ट है जो आपके पास आया. लेट मी क्लीन दिस. ये जो रिजल्ट आपके पास आया स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब ये आया प्लस माइनस डेल्टा जेड अपॉन जेड प्लस माइनस डेल्टा ए अपॉन ए प्लस माइनस डेल्टा बी अपॉन बी. Now, my dear students, I am going to teach you errors in quotient. अभी आपने किस में error study किया है? Errors in product. Now, I am going to teach you errors in quotient. ठीक है? Right? I am repeating once again. This is not containing any vectors. This is not containing any concepts like motion, laws of motion. This is something we are learning, that how errors propagates, how errors, how errors can be how errors can be learned in propagations of a plus b, then a minus b, then ab. Now I am going to teach you a upon b. So write on errors in product instead. Errors in quotient. Quotient. Errors in quotient. What is the meaning of errors in quotient? Let me explain you. See, Z is equal to A upon B. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Now Z plus minus delta Z is equal to A plus minus delta A upon B plus minus delta B. बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
बस खत्म हो जाएगा आज ये. Well, this is the last lecture. I know it's not that crispy and no physics is there, so but करना तो है, आप लोगों की चॉइस थी. तो Z प्लस माइनस डेल्टा Z, A प्लस माइनस delta A, B plus minus delta B minus 1. Can we do it like this?
Yes, sir.
Now Z plus minus delta Z, A plus minus delta A, B minus plus delta B. We use binomial b plus minus delta b to power minus 1 is what? B plus minus minus 1 delta b, and neglecting higher terms, so it becomes plus minus minus plus b plus minus delta b itself. अब ये वाला equation 2 and equation 1 is with you. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now again you divide, you get the same result as it is in product. Okay, this is an exercise for you. Or you can do one thing more simpler. You can do one thing more simpler. Instead of this making binomial with this, you can divide both sides by Z. You can do one thing. This is Z plus minus delta Z you have, na? Z plus minus delta Z you have, students, everywhere. Am I right? You can do one thing. You can take Z common from here. 1 plus minus delta Z upon Z. A is common. 1 plus minus delta A upon A. B common. 1 plus minus delta B upon V. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
इसको ऐसे भी आप कर सकते हो. अब आप क्या करोगे, ये ज़्यादा इजी हो जाएगा. इसमें Z1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा Z अपॉन Z, A अपॉन B, 1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा A अपॉन A, 1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा B upon B. A upon B is Z. This gets cancelled. 1 plus minus delta Z upon Z. 1 plus minus delta A upon A. 1 plus minus delta B upon B. Raised power minus 1. 1 plus minus delta Z upon Z. 1 plus minus delta A upon A, 1 plus minus binomial delta B upon B. यहाँ आप binomial लगा दो. Here you are using binomial. ये माइनस यहाँ आ जाएगा. That's it. अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. 1 plus minus delta Z upon Z, 1 into 1 1, 1 into plus minus delta B upon B, plus minus delta A upon A, plus minus delta A into delta B upon AB. So this can be neglected to 0 because they are very very small. One gets cancelled. So what you find? Plus minus delta Z upon Z, plus minus delta A upon A, plus minus delta B upon B. So students, this is a simple, very simple derivation of errors in products as well, right? So here we go with the errors in product. Now errors in quotient. Quotient means we people have done errors in A upon V. So that's all very very simple, and that's we can go through. It is going to be here a concept here. This is इसको आप अगर ध्यान से देखो तो इसमें हमारे पास सेम रिजल्ट आया जो रिजल्ट प्रोडक्ट में आया था. तो एरर्स प्रोडक्ट में भी वही रहते हैं, क्वोशंट में भी वही रहते हैं, और एरर्स सम में भी वही रहते हैं, डिफरेंस में भी वही रहते हैं. होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
Please note it down.